Hello, today we will show you how we can add sales banner or CTA or something like button or advertising in our Shopify store in collection page between product grid. Like sometimes we need to show like this is our collection, and sometimes we want to show some products, then a sales banner, and then other products like this. In modern theme of Shopify store, we don't need actually code to place a banner between product in collection page. We can easily place a banner or CTA in the collection page from theme customization panel. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can add a sales banner or CTA in collection page between product product grid. That will be a tricks. It's easy, but if I show you how you can do that, then you will think it's very easy. Let's see how we can do. So go to our development store, then go to the theme customization, edit themes. So we have our customization panel. Now go to any of this collection. We have a main collection page. Go to this. By default, you will see a full collections, full product of these collections, but I assume that we have more collection than one. Then we can put a collection on the top, and we can show a CTA. Then we will show other collections like this image. We have some products, then the banner, then we will show some other products. So it will be the banner will be placing between those products. So it can increase your sales, or it can focus for visitors. Let's delete or hide this collection, save, and we can just edit this collection title, which is dynamic, but we will put a manual to show you, like first form. Save. Then we will add a new section. I'm using the horizon theme, but you can see this option on all of Shopify free themes. Let's add find a collection. This is the collection, but this is products. We need this featured collections. Okay, so here the control panel is the right hand. We can select a collection which can be show the product will show on the top, like homepage. I have select. Then we can limit this product here, like columns 4, product count I will show 4 for now. Then I can select any other schemes, color schemes, like I can select this and save it. And we always have a view all button. So if you click this, and we will see the full collection page, collection products on that other page. Now we have a row with 4 products, and now we can place a CTA button here. So let's add a CTA button or banner here, like this one. And let's edit the title, or let's change the background. Like we just show you example that this is our banners. This is our CTA between those collection. Now we can add another collections from the same, like the first one. Now we can select the same collections, or we can select the others, something else. Like I'm selecting this one, and we have three products. Let's save it. I'll select another schemes, use black, save it. And this is very easy. Now we have two collection in one page. One is here, and between those we have a CTA banner. I just add a CTA banner. You can add any things like a carousel or slider, or just an image. You can place anything here. What I just showed you, you just need to follow this. So we have, if we go to the page of main collections, you should see this now. This is the main collection, and we have four products, then CTA, then other four products with a different design or style. Or just we can add more products on the first collections, like this product count 8, 2 columns and 4 columns. There is more. So this is the way, easy way, then you can customize your collection page like this. Okay, I hope this tutorial will help you to customize your collection page without any coding, in just from theme panel, using any Shopify theme or other themes. Thanks for watching.